Hello everybody and welcome to another video. Since there are many of us stuck at home right now, here's a project that you can do with pieces that you probably have laying around. I'm talking about a bird's eye rig that I made for my camera so I could see down above onto my work surface, so I can be doing things, explaining stuff, you can see it from down and above. And this project in particular is really nice because it's something that you can just use scraps that you might have laying around for. It's easy and it's good to help you develop some skills. For me, that was actually welding. And if you don't want to weld, there's actually alternative ways that you can construct it. So almost anyone should be able to do this project with just some general hand tools that you have laying around if you so desire. This design that I did is actually very simple and very effective, although it's not for everyone because you do have to mount it directly into the drywall on the ceiling. So if you don't want to be putting any holes in your house, this is not the project for you. You're going to have to use your imagination and come up with other ways to mount it or an entirely different design, and use this video for nothing but inspiration. So let's get started.